how to add slow motion effect in Filto app. Let's learn how to add slow motion in Filto app to make video dramatic and cinematic. Open Filto app and tap plus icon to start a new project. Import the photo or video you want to edit from your gallery. Once it loads, look at the bottom toolbar, tap clip edit, then select speed. You will see number at upward of your video. For slow-mo, you can click 0.25x or 0.5x according to your preference. Preview and fine-tune until your slow motion effect looks smoother. Once done, tap the check mark. That's it. Combine slow motion with music for cinematic vibe. That's it. Your video now has amazing slow motion effects. If you love these videos, hit like, share, and subscribe for more fun Filto app. Catch you in the next one.